Welcome to Pin the World. I'm Laura.
And I'm Ryan, and we've got some pin mail.
That's right. We're here with some exciting pin mail today. We have 5 packages.
Purchases,
if I can count.
zaps,
So,
trades.
Wow.
Wow.
A purchase from our favorite fantasy pin creator, and then 2 zaps.
Magic mail.
From some of our very good friends. So let's get into it.
All
I'm
right.
going to start with this little bundle from our favorite Only Happy Things. So this is from Rowie. I like the card. I think that's a new design there. And so it says, "Hi Laura, here's your super cute pin club pin." So I do have one pin club pin plus one that Rowie created for her birthday. So I'm really excited. She does one of those every year. So I've got about 3 or 4, I think. And I'm excited to have this one, but this is not the birthday one. So this is the pin club one. And this is throwing us back to Valentine's Day.
I am always a sucker for the scalloped edges.
I know, me too.
So
and
that's beautiful.
Look
I
at
mean,
how,
like a legit stamp.
It's so cute. So look, it says from Tigger, there's one to Pooh, and then what are those called? The
like string lights.
The decorations.
Yeah, decorations.
Oh, it's so cute. It's really, really detailed.
Lots of detail.
Yeah, and I love the scalloped edges. So that's gonna look really cute in our Winnie the Pooh collection. And then so is the birthday one, because it is Winnie the Pooh themed as well.
I'm excited to see it.
There it is. It's so cute. Let's show you. So,
oh yeah, that's
Eeyore,
really nice.
Tigger, Pooh, and Piglet, all with party hats.
Tea party, plenty of cupcakes. Eeyore looks happy.
His honey pot has a birthday candle in it. Oh, it's cute.
That's really nice.
And then there's a couple extra honey pots on the ground. But yeah, look at his little birthday pot of honey. Really cute. I love the colors of that. Really well done. So detailed as well. Aw. So cute.
Perfect.
All right.
Well, that's a great start. I guess I will move right along into Zap 1 of 2, the mystery mail. So it's
I think this is the older
the
one.
right sequence.
We did kind of receive them at different times. We have been waiting to film for a bit.
Laura sliced open the side, but I have no idea what's in here. So I can tell from the return address that this is from Melissa and Evie at Blue Skies and Castles. So they are a Canadian-based small shop that does all sorts of neat things, really, like jewelry, accessories, trinkets. I've seen like cufflinks, tie clips, like things for the guys too.
I could be wrong, but
door handles for the kitchen that are really, really nice. So like everything. So definitely, please do check out Blue Skies and Castles,
their Etsy account, and even go follow them on Instagram. As well.
Yeah, and they spend a lot of time in Disneyland, which is very cool.
Yeah.
So
I'm excited.
I've already dropped something. Perhaps Laura can retrieve that for me.
Yeah.
But there is a very pretty bag here. And there are some punched out, not stickers, just punched out little pieces of paper. So there's a balloon, there's a Mickey head. It says "Have a magical day" on one side, and "Just for you" on the other.
Those are cute.
Yeah, even a little flower one.
Aww.
Really,
that's cute.
That would be hard to execute well. And they have one of their cards with a message on the back. "Dear Ryan and Laura, we thought of you while we visited WDW." Oh. And that's right, they did have, like I said, they mostly seem to be going to the West Coast, but they did have a trip to Florida not too long ago. Not sure if you have this pin, but it won't be around much longer. Big hug, Mel and Evie.
Okay, so WDW won't be around much longer. Not sure on the timing. I know Dinosaur's gone. I know also Rock and Roller Coaster, I think, just closed recently. I don't know. Again, I don't know the timing. What is it?
Showing you guys
Oh,
first.
it's Mickey. Oh, Rock and Roller Coaster. Oh.
That is really a cool pin, isn't it?
Cool.
I love how the
He's
like
singing.
it's sort of like literally it's like glittery.
Literally glittery.
Yeah, and like sparkly, but like not like it's like a different kind.
Oh my
it's
god.
Like in the paint, like rather than like on the pin or something
so
somehow.
Cool. I've never seen that before, but like Mickey, and he has a Mickey on his shirt.
And Laura,
like
well, she's like Steve Tyler there from Aerosmith. He just doesn't have like the scarves around the mic stand. But this, I mean, geez, this is just sort of like a gut punch for you, Laura, because I know Rock and Roller Coaster is your all-time favorite attraction, and I don't think we're gonna make it for you to do it one last time, but.
Oh, I'm kind of too scared of Rock and Roller Coaster, so I've never been on it, but I bet that it's cool. Yeah, have you been on it?
I haven't actually.
Okay. So now we have a pin to commemorate the ride.
But pretty much like Rock and Roller Coaster. It was like that time I drove you all the way to the Florida parks, and if we put on some Aerosmith, that would pretty much same thing. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, you guys. So next up, we have another package from our good friends Mel and Evie.
They're multiplying.
Yes. We are, like I said, we were behind, so we just kind of...
It's always like, we get home after work, there's something on our porch, and Laura's like, did you order something? I'm like, no, did you? And no. Oh, wow, all right, there's a mystery.
It's a mystery. So, there's a little card attached to something there, and then we also have
the card.
A giant bundle of stuff here. So I think I will try to get the card off here first.
That looks really, really cool.
Okay, I want to get that tape off. Actually, I don't want to wreck it though. So yeah, look at the front. It's so cute. So, dear Ryan and Laura, here's a little something for your pin board. DCA is calling. Can you hear it?
Bling.
Yes.
Yeah, well, I know DCA is celebrating a significant anniversary this year. So in 2026, it is their 25th anniversary.
Woo. Okay, so before we get into the little package, let's look at this bundle of goodies. So inside, oh my gosh, look at this.
Nice.
Evie, you're coloring. Okay, so it's one of those Walt Disney World postcards that, as you guys know, come black and white, but Evie has colored it so beautifully. And there on the back, Mexico.
And that's hilarious.
That's so
I love
cute.
Donald with the piñata, but also with his eye bandaged up, so he's... Or no, I guess you're supposed to cover your eyes, be blindfolded. So it's
I guess,
at first I thought
cheating.
like he knocked himself and had an injury, or it's either way it works.
It works. So there is a sticker.
Disneyland 70th. So that was last year, but I know the celebration continues.
Oh yeah, it's still going on, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah. Okay, I don't even know. Okay, what do we have here? Oh my
activities
gosh.
galore.
No, is this a whole thing of stickers? Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all,
a word search.
Yeah. So, is that a sticker too? Disney Vacation Club?
It seems like it might be. The whole front looks like one giant sticker.
This is a giant sticker. You can kind of see on the side there. And then there's a whole sheet here. Those are so fun. I'm putting those in my sticker book. And then the other fun part is there's a huge word search here.
It's random. I'm interested, like some of the clues, like there's characters, but then it's just like Tokyo and Paris, like everywhere.
All of them,
they have attractions, which is
Fort Wilderness.
Which is neat.
So
so
and random, but
Pua and Hey Hey are in there.
Yeah. I know what I'm doing this afternoon.
All right.
Okay, and then so this is just the inside of the little envelope here. So it's a really cute picture of the characters in their outfits, and then stay happy year after year with Disney Vacation Club. It's a sign. Ooh, Disney Vacation Club, DVC. Just kidding. Okay, oh my gosh. And then a special edition guide map.
Specifically from February 8th.
What happened then?
2026. I don't know if that was the actual anniversary date.
Wow.
Now
Okay.
we'll have to figure it out if it's not. Yeah, I think it must be the way they're sort of saying, like, thank you for celebrating 25 years with us today.
And then there's their new outfits.
Or it was just maybe like a Disney After Dark or like a special ticketed event and they do up custom guides for it.
Cool. And then there's a...
Oh, it tells us.
Okay.
The vibrant artwork created by Renee Rao Marquez okay, I won't read the whole thing, but yeah, park first welcome guests on February 8th, 2001. So this was the day of the 25th anniversary.
Oh my gosh.
And it's really neat to see the art.
You can see it.
Because you can see what DCA looked like. You know, sort of thematically, at least when it opened, like how Incredicoaster wasn't Incredicoaster yet, but it had.
And then so the Condor Flats, so we know a little bit about the history.
Yeah, and like the monorail going over the Golden Gate Bridge kind of vibe.
Cool. Oh my gosh. Okay.
That's really cool artifact.
Analyzing this a lot more after this video. Thank you for all of this.
Love
and then
maps.
there's still one more thing.
Oh,
okay, I think it's another pin. So let's get into it. See what it is. It's so exciting.
DCA is calling. I did ask in a recent video, you know, I said maybe we have plans. I don't know if it's like 1 trip, 2 trips, 3 trips, whatever.
4 trips.
5 individual parks.
Oh my gosh.
Probably for us in 2026. What might they be?
Okay, so here's the pin. It's wrapped up. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Okay. Whoa!
Just getting
What is
started.
this? I've never seen this before.
That's incredible when you can stump Laura on a pin.
Okay, and also they put so much like little confetti in there.
Yeah,
That's so fun.
Mickey head punch outs.
Oh, I was just like shaking that, not really showing you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so Disney California Adventure. We are just getting started.
Pin
Walt
on
Disney.
pin.
With the outfit? Oh
yeah,
my gosh.
and we did learn that like even the 25th anniversary outfit, it is a throwback to sort of the original like design and like motif of the park, as evidenced by the park map that we got to show. So it's like that same kind of vibe.
There.
Yep.
I showed it already. Very cute. Oh my gosh. And
Very
the pin,
cute.
that's so cool.
Yeah,
it's a limited edition. Holy. I wonder, let me take it off quick. We still have more to open, but this is way cooler than anything that we've traded for, probably. Oh, there's a little confetti. Just popped right out.
Surprise.
Oh my gosh, look, and it has California Adventure.
Quite an emblem on the
25
back.
years, limited edition of 2,500. Oh my god,
That's
you guys, that's
for
so
the 25th
cool.
anniversary.
Yeah, true. That makes sense. There's
Thank
the back.
you.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god, I love it.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Thank you.
What a surprise. Thank you very much.
You two are so
Spoil
sweet.
us. Well, you know, if Disneyland and DCA happen to be 2 of those 5 parks, we will be sure to pay a visit to your brick.
Yes, and to Mickey in his new outfit. Anyways, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, so we still have 2 more packages to open, so let's do this really quickly. This is a trade. I don't know who it's from because it doesn't have a name, and we're just gonna show you. There it is. So a little Snow White cake, super cute, and then a Tiana black and white lounge fly pin. I really like that series.
Nice.
And I really like this series too. And I'm really obsessed with Snow White. So thank you for trading. That was awesome.
Final package, final 2 pins of the video from Kristen.
Oh yeah, cute. Oh, I remember. Kristen was starting a like classic Minnie Mouse in her red dress collection.
Nice.
And I had 2 pins I think that were gonna work for that.
Nice. Well, that's fun. Like
So,
that's like a random like, but that's you just need to see something sort of different.
So that's a new hidden Disney pin. I don't think we call them hidden Mickey pins. A hidden Disney pin, and it's one of the ear hats. So Captain Smee, Mr. Smee.
Yeah, there you go.
I like him. And that one too is
yeah,
new.
the second one. So, and I believe you were just mentioning you're on a bit of a Snow White kick.
Yeah.
So there you go.
So that's the Walt Disney World symbol. So they have ones that are Disneyland as well, but the Disneylandese, but then this is the Walt Disney World side. So I don't know what series or thing they have so many hidden Disney pins that have released in the last like year and a bit. So I can't keep track. But now I have 2 of them.
There you
and
go.
now we have a list of amazing, like, oh my gosh.
A plethora of pins.
So many cool pins. So thank you for trading. Thank you, Mel and Evie, for zapping us with this amazing bunch of goodies. And do you have a comment down below?
Just like overwhelmed. I mean, you know, pick a favorite if you can is always a good sort of fallback. You can try, you can keep guessing which 5 parks might we be going to in 2026 if all goes according to plan.
Yeah.
And yeah, which you know, I feel like it's a bit of a stretch, but like, you know, a significant Disney milestone that you've been in the park to celebrate. What stands out for you?
Yeah,
we've
that's
been
cool.
lucky enough, we've already gotten to do a few, and I mean, of course, Disney now with their long tenure in history, like they have, like there's stuff every year that's significant. I think for us, and you can comment if you feel differently, but I think still Mickey and Minnie for their 90th birthday when we got to go to the parks for that, and they had the like the polka dot costumes, that's probably the biggest one, because we were there for other, like, was it the 100th of the company, or like a 90th or something, and like they also had special costumes.
We were there
iridescent.
for that. It was really cool, but yeah, definitely that like 90th, Mickey's 90th birthday was like standout. And then I do wish that I was in the parks to see the castle cake. The cake castle.
We have actual photos, or my family, like my parents do. I was there for that one. So yeah,
let us know if you've been in the parks for any of them, because that's pretty cool. And I guess, so comment down below. And thanks everybody for watching. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one.